welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another packing for college video. This is my second one that I'm doing. If you guys want to check out the one that I did last year, I'll put it up here. Yeah, I am getting ready to start my sophomore year at Florida State University. Today is Saturday, August 1st, and I move in a week from today, but I drive up to Tallahassee on Friday, so like 6 days, and I haven't started packing at all. So I have a lot of things that I need to do. My room is like half the size of what it was last year, so I need to bring a lot less stuff than I did, but I definitely want to start packing so I'm not scrambling to do it last minute. So that's what this vlog is going to be. I have to pack my clothes, my skincare, my jewelry, all the stuff for my dorm, everything, my entire life, to live out of for a year. So that's what this video is going to do, and I'm just gonna get right into it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what we have going on first. Obviously we have all my stuff in my closet. That's my closet, and then I had to buy that because I have an obsession with clothes. Those are all things that need to go, like, just for my dorm. I just got back from a trip, so this is like my suitcase that I have to unpack, but all of it's gonna be going to school with me anyway, so I'm kind of just gonna make piles and figure out what's going and what's staying, and stuff like that. And then I have a whole ton of stuff in the garage that I need to figure out. Of course, I have all my makeup, all my like random stuff like that. So this is gonna be really fun, and it is 2:52 right now on Saturday, so we have like a little less than a week to work on this, which should be fine, but I want to get started nice and early, like I said. So we're just gonna get going with it. Alright, I'm watching The Kissing Booth. Let me turn that off. Okay, I decided that I have this rack right here, and I'm gonna take everything that's off of it, or I'm gonna take everything that's on it right now off of it, and then put everything that I'm planning on taking on it, so I can kind of, I feel like that would be a visual of like how much space I have in my closet at school, so I can kind of allow myself to bring this much clothes, and stuff like that. Which is going to be hard for me because this is like a third of my closet. So I'm going to take everything off of that and put things on that I definitely want to bring, and then hopefully fill it up to about this amount, if that makes any sense at all.
When you're 17 in California,
here's what we got so far. We're already so far. Oh my gosh. All right, so basically I've already have like pretty much half the rack filled up, and that was just stuff off of this rack. So I took about half of it out. This is the stuff that I'm not bringing, just stuff that I won't really wear this semester, whether it be long sleeve or things that I never really wear, or things that, like, this is like a going out shirt. Obviously I won't be going out because coronavirus, things like that. Basically just the basic stuff that I could wear for like loungewear, and just like I don't know, going to the mall or doing whatever, just stuff that I would wear every day. That stuff I never really wear, so I'm trying to bring just the bare minimum of stuff that I absolutely do wear. I need to go through these things right now. Again, this is everything I'm not bringing. I'm not bringing that stuff either. And then these, I need to hang those up too, but I don't have enough hangers right now. And then these are just bottoms and stuff that I'm obviously going to bring, but don't need to be hung up in the closet. So now I'm going to focus on those two things. Oh my gosh. I feel like I won't end up bringing a lot of the stuff in there because a lot of it is like tops for going out and long sleeve stuff. So we'll see. Alright, so I have everything hung up. This is everything that I'm going to bring, and then plus that pile that I need to hang up, which is not that much more. So I'm honestly really proud of myself. Like, that's how much is staying, which is honestly kind of embarrassing because that's how much clothes are going to be useless for a whole entire year. But this is what I'm bringing for now. I can always come down and grab stuff if I need like long sleeves for obviously the spring semester and stuff like that. So that's what we're working with. I think I'm going to start packing up this suitcase with like pajamas, t-shirts, bottoms, stuff that's not hanging up right there.
But suddenly
is day 2 of this whole moving out process. Yeah, it's Sunday today, and I have quite a lot more to do. I packed up this yesterday, which is like shoes and then just random clothes. This bag is towels and random things. My camera bag, obviously all of that stuff has to go, but I still have a lot more sweatshirts and stuff that I need to pack up. I need to garbage bag all of those. And then I moved in stuff from the garage that I need to go through, so I'm going to show you that right now.
Grow from the start. Maybe we weren't lucky to fall that so hard.
Alright, so as you saw, I kind of had everything out there. This was just stuff I pulled in from the garage, but I pulled it into my room now just so I can go through it. I'm not bringing everything because, like I said, my space is a lot smaller. So I have to go through all these bins and see exactly what I'm bringing and what is staying, which might take a while, but we'll see what we're going to do.
So naive, you don't see how it ends. Rose-colored dreams is where we exist. The sun only sets if we
Alright, here's where we're at right now. I have this bin all filled up back again with things that I'm definitely taking. So I have a pillow, some towels, just random like decor things, just random things that I obviously need. This I'm working on packing up. It's not quite done yet. This is all stuff I took out of the boxes that's staying here. FSU is most likely sending us home after Thanksgiving break, so we can't come home after that. So I won't need my Christmas decorations, which is a little bit sad, but it's okay. That stuff is pretty much all done. I think I'm just gonna leave it in that box and carry it upstairs to the room. And then, of course, the bedspread and the posters that I have. I need to go through this. I need to go through all my makeup drawers and bathroom stuff and figure out exactly what's going and staying. And then I have that I can fill up too. So I'll probably fill up with like books and movies and stuff that I want to take. Alright, we're honestly coming along, although it may not look like it. I cleared out those blue bins from my room because we're completely done. Have to finish filling that with just random other clothes and stuff like that. I'm taking my new skincare fridge, which I'm really excited about. This I need to take, and then of course all my clothes, which I need to garbage bag up, which I will do. Nobody ever tells you how exhausting moving is. It's gonna be really interesting when I'm moving into like a whole apartment or like a whole house and not just a dorm room. I haven't really done much since I've seen you. Hey guys, what's up? Today's Monday, August 3rd, I believe. I really am almost pretty much done packing. I haven't done anything since I saw you yesterday, and I honestly don't know what I'm going to be doing today, if anything at all. Basically, I just have to clean up the things that are left on my floor. These are things that I'm not taking, and I just need to put them somewhere. Also, all of that, and I need to hang up those clothes somewhere. I'm going to put them on that rack as soon as I move all those things off. And then that's pretty much it. The rest is just like tiny little things, like all of this stuff in this bag, but I'm leaving this out right now because that's the stuff that I need to wear for the rest of the week before I move in. Makeup, like random stuff like that. But honestly, like I am pretty much done. Let me show you this out here too. This is everything that we're bringing, which looks like a lot, but it's really not. A lot of the stuff is in here. This is important stuff, and then, you know, all that stuff, whatever. And then I washed all of the things that I have for like my bed. They were still in the container and everything, but I washed them so they're all clean. And then I also have this out here, which is, I washed all of our rugs that we had in our room. There's 3 out there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, I washed all 3 of them, and now they're drying in the sun. So I need to pack those up and then vacuum them because they're quite dirty. So after they're dry, I need to vacuum them. And that's really it for now. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, which means I have 2 more days until I move in. Well, until I leave to move in. basically haven't done anything since I've seen you, obviously, because I'm trying to vlog as much of it as I can. But I'm gonna try and finish almost everything today so that tomorrow all I have to do is like the last few little things that I forgot to do or that you can't do until like the day before you leave and stuff like that. Like this skincare fridge I'll pack up today. I'll pack up the clothes finally today. And then I have my camera bag out, but I need to get a separate bag of like just random things that don't fit in my camera bag that I need to take up because I'm a part of dance marathon up there, which I do photo and video for, so I need to have all my camera equipment up there, and I obviously do YouTube too. So I'm eating strawberries because I'm really hangry. I think I'm gonna first start with, should I start with the clothes? Might as well start with the clothes, right? All right, I think I'm gonna start with the clothes. All right, I have my roll of garbage bags and I'm just gonna get started with this. Last time I did this, when I moved last year to school for the first time, I got a comment saying that I was doing it the wrong way, but I think I was doing it the right way. So I'm just gonna do what I did last time. It may be the wrong way again, but you know what? It's okay. Maybe I did do it the wrong way. I'm gonna try it both ways and see what looks better. I'm not even gonna lie, that person was right. This was definitely a lot harder to do, but it's gonna be a lot easier to transport. So if you commented that, thank you. I doubted you for a second, but it's gonna work better, so thank you. Dream about it, but in a different way. You're always thinking about the mistakes we couldn't change. First loves aren't perfect, they weren't made to last. I'll always be fond of the times in the past, baby. Okay, I'm gonna move these out to the room now where everything else is. Okay, I'm pretty sure the last two things that I have to do, at least in my room, other than like pack up random like stuff, is pack up my skincare fridge and pack up any other camera equipment that I need. So I have these two bags. I'm gonna do that right now. We weren't ready to grow from the start. Maybe we weren't lucky to fall that so hard. So I have the skincare fridge here now, but it's kind of cold and wet, so I'm gonna let it dry out for a few hours and then I'll pack it up tonight because I don't want to put it in a bag while it's like wet and weird. So I'm gonna work on the camera stuff now. All right guys, we're in the final few hours before I leave. It's 6:51 p.m. on Thursday and we are about to start loading the car. I'm gonna show you what we have going on right now. Literally it's raining while we're supposed to be loading the car, so it's gonna look a little different, but I'll show you what we have. This is everything I'm bringing plus 2 small suitcases. And it looks like a lot, which it is a lot, but kind of. It's a lot of it's coming home because a lot of it's like storage bins and stuff. So I'm gonna bring the storage bins home, and it all needs to fit in the trunk of my car. Not this. This won't be there. This will come up, and then these 2 seats in the back will go down, so we have from here back to fit it all. I think we can do it. It's gonna be super tight, but I honestly think we can definitely do it. Got everything loaded up. This is the car. You can't even see outside of it. This is crazy. It's my entire life in this car. All right, guys, I'm officially done packing for college, so that's me. So I am leaving in, let's see, I'm leaving in like 11 hours to drive there. I'm driving there all by myself, 7 hours by myself, and I'm really excited. So that is the end of this vlog. I'm gonna be doing so many more like move-in vlogs, dorm tours, stuff like that. If you guys want to see those, be sure to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Love no longer, love